Hello guys and welcome to Hackman Traders. In this video I'm going to be showing you yet again another video of how to do your technical analysis for the stocks. I know I've made this video in my previous videos as well. So in this one I'm going to show you how to do your technical analysis again, some of those stocks that I've purchased in the stock market. So let's get started. Now I've purchased stocks in this in the stock that Park Electron Limited, Pel Pel company. So I've invested in this level. So when I've invested in this level, every the indicators and the parabolics are those were showing positive results, meaning to say that those were showing that they would go into an uptrend. But as I've purchased at this level over here, I would tell you the price I have purchased at 41.75. Take a look at these prices. I have purchased at 41.75, and after that, as I purchased at the highest high, this was the highest high of the session of a few months. So after that, it starts to drop. So how would I know how deep, how far will the drop go? So for this case, I will have to use Fibonacci retracement. Where it is? Oh, sorry, over here. Yeah, plot it over here, drag it up till the high of this level. So meaning to say that uh, this is a great tool to use for to find out how far the pullback would occur, so that you can jump exactly at that level and at exactly at the lowest level of the stocks and move along with it. So it is a great tool. So what are the current price? 39.05. Yes, 39 take a look at this price, 39.05. 39.05. Yes. So I'm going to as I've still purchased, I've hold these stocks. I purchased a stock at this level, so I'm going to wait for this. I'm going to hold. I've hold these stocks for to turn into an uptrend. I know they have gone into a loss, but at this level, I'm assume that they as reach this level, they will go again. They will turn the direction of the trend. So I will so this much time I will wait for it to give me some positive results and continue the an upward trend. So as I've told you previously that indicators and tools does not show 100% of the trend, so 100 of the direction of the trend. So you will also have to do it on your own judgment. As in this time the market is currently dropping. How much has 204.32. This is a KSE 100 index, the Pakistan Stock Exchange. It has dropped 204.32%. So this, so also these some of these stocks also dropped. So it's a great idea to enter at the lowest level of these pullbacks and move along the trend. And as the trend continues, so you will also have gain much more profits. As I cannot enter at this level because I've already purchased the stocks at this level and hold these stocks. If I sell these stocks, I'm going to face losses. So in order to avoid that, I'm holding these stocks, as I knew that these prices would go up in the next 1, 2 or 3 days. I'll be making a video of this same stock in the future as well, to show you exactly how this particular stock has performed. And there's another one as well, Asgard 9 Limited. It's a textile company. These do works in textiles, the clothings, and I've purchased its stocks at 28.4, meaning maybe over here. Yes, at this level, I guess at this level, yes, 28.14. So how many days? 1, 2, 1, 2, 3. The same thing again. I assume that this stock would go up as the moving average and the parabolic stars both show positive signs of trend continuation. So in this case, it was wrong and it turned against me. The moving average turned against, as you can see over here, it turned against the trend. So Now at what price it closed? 27.75. So I'm going to wait for it. Again, I'm holding these stocks as it is not in a dip, but I'm holding these stocks at, as you can see, this a previous area of resistance level, sorry, a support level. So I'm still holding these stocks in order for me to give me some positive results. So again, that's the same thing. Here the Fibonacci retracement does not apply because the the main reason for that is that it's not a downtrend, it's not sorry, it's not a correction or a pullback, it's just a side trend, it's just a side trend as these over here. So there is no need to use for that, but the use of the support and resistance levels was necessary to find out how what was the buyer's reaction at that level. Were they buying at that level or selling? But there's another thing that you must consider, that is the parabolic SAR touch the, sorry, the candlesticks touch the parabolic SAR at two different levels. Can it be made bigger? Okay. Yes. Now as take a clear look over here, as the parabolic SAR touch the, sorry, the candlesticks touch the parabolic SAR at this level firstly, but the trend doesn't change. Like usually what happens is when the parabolic SAR, sorry, the candlestick touches the parabolic SAR, the the parabolic SAR jumps upward and the candlestick trades below the parabolic SAR. In this case, both of them, two candlesticks touch the parabolic SAR but are still trading. So it means that maybe this happens that the next trading day, it they separate from each other, but in a way that the candlestick trades above the parabolic SAR in this case over here. In this case, so we will have to wait for the next trading day to show us some positive results of how the trend will what results will the trend give us. Now in this case, my assumption was right, as I assumed over here that this particular stock would go up, and I entered into this level over here. As you can also see, it is a rising wedge, it is a rising wedge. So I've entered into a trend over here and at this level. So a little downtrend, but again it went straight. No, sorry, I entered at this level, so I waited for it, uh, as you can clearly see over here. So there's a strong bullish candlestick, and now we will have to wait for it to show us some positive results. There's also no need of a what do you say, there's also no need of a candlestick, sorry, of a Fibonacci retracement to show us how the trend will perform. So that's the 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 rising wedge is needed to only show us, to only guide us on a way to upward. As take a clear look over here again, that the moving average and parabolic SAR are both in my favor, they are moving upward. So it means that my assumption here was right, and I was right about the market, that this market would go up, this market would continue its trend in the upward direction. So my assumption about this stock was right, and so we will have to wait for it to show us more positive results in the future. And again, about the previous stocks, the two previously I've showed to you, we will also have to wait for us to give us some positive results to show us how they will perform in the next trading days. So that's it for today. Hope you guys are enjoying my videos and want to learn more about the stock market. All I need you is to support my channel by hitting that subscribe button and comment down below, as your feedback is valuable for me. Goodbye.